Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to put a twist on this classic recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken cordon bleu, but casserole style. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our penne pasta back here. We have some chopped cooked chicken here. I just used the rotisserie chicken, took the meat off of it and chopped it up in bite-sized pieces. We have milk here. If you don't have milk, you can also use heavy whipping cream or half and half. Panko breadcrumbs. Make sure they're panko breadcrumbs instead of just regular plain breadcrumbs. And right here we have some cream of chicken soup. And I know somebody gonna say it got so much sodium in it. Well, get some low sodium cream of chicken soup. Or, you know, better yet, just don't make the recipe. Skip to the next one. Right here we have Parmesan cheese, chicken broth, Dijon mustard, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and we have some chopped deli ham right here. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna bring our water up to boil. I've already threw some salt up in it, and we're gonna add our penne pasta. And we're gonna let this cook al dente. We don't have to go through this whole entire process. And now let's head back over to our cutting board. So to get started, we're gonna take a big bowl. We're gonna add our cream of chicken soup here, along with our milk, our chicken broth, Dijon mustard, our onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and guys, I'm gonna add some freshly chopped parsley here. I didn't add that in the shot, but we're gonna add that. And we're just gonna give this a mix. All right, next we're gonna go in with our shredded Swiss cheese. I hope I said this was Swiss cheese in the beginning. I can't even remember. I don't know if I called it mozzarella or not, but this is Swiss cheese, which is typically on a cordon bleu. We're gonna add our chicken, our ham, and our penne pasta. Now we're gonna go to task of getting all this mixed together and combined really well. Guys, take a look at that. All right, so now we're gonna set this aside real quick. We're gonna bring over some melted butter. I forgot to put that in the shot too, but you're gonna need about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You're gonna take your panko breadcrumbs, add it here, along with your Parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna get this mixed up like this. All right, so that looks good. We're gonna move this aside, bring over greased baking sheet. You could use a 9x13. Now we're gonna take our pasta mix and we're gonna add it here, just like this. Once you get in there, you wanna just spread that out evenly throughout the pan. Just like that. Lastly, we're gonna take those breadcrumbs and we're gonna sprinkle it over the top of our pasta. I'm gonna really have to use my hands to sprinkle this over here. While we're doing this, you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Once we get these breadcrumbs over here, we're gonna be ready to get busy. Man, that's looking good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, again at 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until that top is golden brown and that pasta is bubbly. All right, let's get it in the oven. All right, guys, so this is what we have after 30 minutes in the oven. Now we're just gonna let our casserole sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just to allow the sauce to settle, and we're gonna come back. All right, so we let our pasta rest for about 10 minutes. The only thing I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna top it with some freshly chopped parsley just to give it a little color. Y'all know we like to add that green stuff. All right, there you have it. Chicken cordon bleu casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. You know we finna jump into quality control because we got some taste testing to do. So you already know we're gonna bring the food to the front of the congregation. We got that chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole. Man, if you love that chicken Cordon Bleu sandwich, you're definitely gonna love this right here. Well, I ain't tasted it yet, but I already know. I can look at it and smell it. I stand by what I just said 15 seconds ago. Oh man, don't leave that ham out. This also can be made without the pasta. So if you don't want any pasta, you can make it the same way, just leave the pasta out. But with the pasta, it makes it a meal. So until then, y'all already know what this is. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.